I never compare myself with other learners because no one can speak my role better than me. Honestly speaking, when I started to learn spoken English, at the same time I started to make this practice video. That time I was looking around me and I saw many learners can speak English better than me. That moment I feel why I can't speak English like them. That time occasionally I lost my motivation. But it is very common because those learners started to learn spoken English before couple of years ago. That's why they could speak English better than me. Even at this moment, those learners can speak English better than me. When you want to learn spoken English as a beginner, many people can speak English better than you, but never try to compare yourself with those learners because they started this journey before you. That's why it is very common for everyone. So never lose your motivation if you want to learn spoken English. Every time attempt to enhance your skills. Believe me, one day you will become a fluent English speaker. One day you will be a good at English speaker better than me, even better than those learners who could speak English better than you. And at this moment, I believe one day I will become a fluent English speaker better than those learners who could speak English better than me. So you should pray for me. If you should pray for me so that I can achieve my enormous dream in the future. At the same time, I can struggle for my dream from myself without help of another learners. Mercy.